Howdy. I took a few pictures from clouds and I stumbled across this. People demand freedom of speech as a compensation for the freedom of thought, which they seldom use. But now to something really interesting. These might just be regular clouds to many. Same picture, a bit enhanced. Those black things, what you see here, they are those snow pieces falling from the trees because it's windy. It's really an intriguing sky. You can see all kinds of lines. Wherever you watch, you can see lines, which indicates that there is quite much of energy moving, since clouds are plasma. And as the energy travels through the sky, it excites the clouds. That's why we get these kind of wavy patterns, or really sharply distinguished. So we got some, 20 centimeters snow overnight. And temperature is going down. And it's still really windy. But obviously also somehow sunny. Because the cold air from the Arctic, it's somehow pushing the clouds away. And here, if you know how to see things or how to watch or what to see and what to watch, you can see geology made in front of your eyes. The wind is creating exactly the same patterns as you can see in geology. Watch at the mountains. Here it's just windy. Snow is much lighter than rock. So we don't need that much energy in order to make things move and make things stick together through static electricity, holding things aloft through electrostatic electricity. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, it's windy. And it was sometimes so windy it was hard to keep the balance since I wasn't watching. That's actually not sharp, I just noticed now. But anyway, you can see the coloring, half halo or whatever you call it. And really nice structures up here in the sky. There's quite something going on. And I'm quite sure no one alive has ever seen that. What is going on now? The overturn of the weather pattern over the Atlantic, which might be followed by the overturn of the Gulf Stream, Atlantic Stream, AMOC, which was providing Europe with warm air for the last 400 years. But it seems to be over. And I really hope I am dead wrong. as wrong as one possibly can be. Let's have a look quickly at Windy, just for the science. So that's the last 12 hours. Cold air coming in. And there is this kind of battle going on here, which will be overpowered once by the wind which is coming from the north. How is England developing at the moment? Wavy forms here. And they get clinched into. There is stuff coming from the north and stuff coming in from the south. So there in between, we might expect something to happen. But who knows? Maybe we get lucky and there's nothing going on. No lightning yet or anything, which is really cool. So now let's have a look at how it probably could develop the system, the weather situation we have. Here is the cold air coming. And now the air is flowing into the wrong direction. And from the south it's pushing here, but somehow it doesn't get through. And if you follow this, which goes south, it will eventually reach Northern Africa. And here we will have some weather situations going on. Here it is again. This whatever boundary or border or line of distinction might be. Why? Why we have something like this there? We might have to take the lines, pressure lines 969. That's quite a strong system. Which makes its way upwards north. It starts to turn around and around. Is this what we get in Europe now? Is that the new normal? Cold air coming from the north? Maybe. Yeah, check this out. There is air coming from the south, which might be warmer than the air which is coming somehow from here, and much warmer which is coming from here. So we get a really nice mix. of many charge differentials, which might provide us with some kind of electrical discharge events in the form of wind, rain, snow, lightning. A quick look at the temperature at this point and off the lines. Where are they? Cold. It stays cold in Europe. Check it out. That's on noon. Frost all over the place. -8, -9, but there might be hills. Poland 0, Scotland. Frosty days. But anyway, I'll leave it here. Really interesting. That's something. And if you can see then the satellite pictures when this stuff is going down then for real in a few days, we can see something no one ever has seen before, because people back then in the days, they didn't have satellite pictures. So we have to also understand to enjoy whatever satellite pictures, internet connections, electricity, and whatever stuff relates to our modern lifestyle. It's not for granted. The sun will take it away. She won't ask before. She will just take it away. And then it's too late for Googling stuff. You know. By then you probably should already know what's going on. Because there will be many people who have no clue of what's going on. Absolutely no clue. If someone would take the internet away now, the majority of the people, they wouldn't understand what's going on. They just wouldn't. No one told them. I use a catalysator in my car. Save the climate. Oh, yeah, really cool. So, these are really interesting times, people. Thanks. Bye.